try not to scratch it.
Report.
My lord, Apocalypse has been brought to Earth via some kind of boom tube overload.
Don't bother him with that, Desaad. A more pressing concern, my lord, is that the prisoners have escaped. They are making their way here as we speak.
Spare us your cowardice, Granny Goodness. No prisoner is a match for Kalibak.
Cowardice! Don't you speak to your elders like that!
Enough. Darkseid is not troubled by such petty news. Not when the anti-life equation will soon be mine.
Anti-life? Ooh, that sounds bad, Mr. J.
The crime syndicate claim they are very close to locating the artifact.
Good. Nothing else is of importance.
What's got into this thing?
Who goes there?
Is it them?
I think you and I would make quite the team.
We're the Justice League when you need them.
Your prisons couldn't hold us. Joker, what are you doing? Last chance to surrender, Darkseid.
Enjoy your trip.
Superman!
Your escape attempt has been a waste of time.
We've beaten bigger than you before, and we'll do it again.
As they say on your world, you and whose army? What?
You didn't think this traveling across the galaxy would go unnoticed, did you?
Stop them!
We'll hold Darkseid's legions. You guys regroup at the Watchtower. Get the cloud.
Darkseid? We were not packing.
Enough! Despite my arrival, the plan remains the same. Continue with your heroic facade, and find me the last piece of the anti-life equation. Soon, the universe shall be mine.
Betty does an evil guy laugh now.
What happened to you do-gooders?